Throttle position sensor. Most computer-equipped engines use a potentiometer-type throttle position sensor to signal to the computer the exact amount of throttle opening due to its linear output. Throttle position sensor is located on the throttle butterfly spindle. Functions of the TP sensor: computer input. The computer senses any change in throttle position and changes the fuel mixture and ignition timing. The throttle position sensor used on fuel-injected vehicles acts as an electronic accelerator pump. This means that the computer will pulse additional fuel from the injectors when the throttle is depressed. Because the air can quickly flow into the engine when the throttle is opened, additional fuel must be supplied to prevent the air-fuel mixture from going lean, causing the engine to hesitate when the throttle is depressed. If the TP sensor is unplugged or defective, the engine may still operate satisfactorily but hesitate upon acceleration. Throttle position sensors are among the most common potentiometer-type sensors. The computer uses its input to determine the amount of throttle opening and the rate of change. A typical sensor has 3 wires. A 5-volt reference feed wire from the computer. Signal return, a ground wire back to the computer. And a voltage signal wire back to the computer. As the throttle is opened, the voltage to the computer changes. Normal throttle position voltage on most vehicles is about 0.5 volts at idle, closed throttle, and 4.5 volts at wide open throttle, Watt. At idle, the resistance of the sensor winding effectively reduces the signal voltage output to the computer. The signal voltage from a throttle position increases as the throttle is opened because the wiper arm is closer to the 5-volt reference.